everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm back again with them Mzansi Soap Histories, and today I'm talking about Imbewu, the seed. Well guys, Imbewu is one of the soapies that does not take time to reveal hidden truth. Unlike all House of Zwide, osekuphelwa unyaka bengavezi ukuthi uOna is Funani's daughter. Well guys, let's get back to Imbewu. Now that everyone knows that Nokuzola slept with Zitulele's brother and they have a child together, Nkululeko wants Nokuzola to leave Zitulele for him, but is it a good idea, guys? The history, guys, is repeating itself here. Mazulu once found herself in the same situation where her heart was divided into two brothers, Shongololo and Ngulusi. So guys, what advice can you give to Nokuzola? Should she fight for her marriage and leave Zitulele to be with Nkululeko? Well, let's check what will happen this coming few days. While Zitulele is set on ending their marriage or relationship, Nokuzola decides to fight for their marriage, even though she knows she had his father or brother's heart. But things, guys, get messy when instead of resolving their issues, the couple fall into bed together during a drunken night and didn't we almost have it all sex? Zitulele and Nokuzola are fighting and suppressing feelings, and on this particular night they will get drunk and seek comfort in each other's arms. But this drunken mistake makes it more complicated and leaves them with more questions than answers. In the midst of all the drama, Nokuzola will realize that baby Nozi is missing again and has been abducted. This causes accusation to start flying as everyone suspects each other of taking Nozi to get the upper hand. I can't say much, but Nozi was taken by a hooded figure. No one knows who it is. Well guys, the baby Nozi will go missing. The big question is who took her and for what good reason. That's all I have for today. To leave your comment below guys and share your opinion. Bye.